So I just wanted to show some of the changes that I made to the Maverick. The Maverick comes with this pistol grip. I didn't really care for the pistol grip. I opted for this Polini style from, what is it, Vortex Aero. Comes with that engine monitor there. It's got tack and temp, all that stuff on it. Also has a fuel sensor. So it does give me a little red light. I put it there just where I know I've got maybe a half hour left to get back to my landing zone. And it's got a nice little bright light that comes on here telling you that you've better get back to your landing zone. So it's not something that I use exclusively. I'll obviously think about how much I'm going to burn and plan accordingly, but it's also, I mean, it's good to have redundancies anytime you're doing something that has major consequences. Redundancies are good. This did come with a little bit longer handle. I shaved it off here. I use either 2 or I can still fit 3 fingers on there, but that was plenty. I really like this handle when I went up with it yesterday. This also has a green starter switch on it. This Moster that I have doesn't have the electric start, so I've repurposed this to a push-to-talk. Just wired it up back there. Had it come through the harness. Comes out here and it plugs into the Cena Tough Talk comms that I fly with, so that worked out pretty good. Anyway, that's what some of the changes that I've done to my Maverick here.